me. Do you feel pumped up today? I am, because I just did my workout. So right now, I just want to ask, do you want another recipe from Kuya Chito? A healthy recipe that can be included in your healthy lifestyle. So if you want, let's start cooking chicken breast oven grilled. What are the ingredients? Okay, here are the ingredients. This is the basic ingredients of oven grilled chicken breast. Okay, 8 pieces of thinly sliced chicken breast. As you can see, this is thinly sliced. Okay, salt and pepper, paprika, 1 egg, breadcrumbs, sesame seeds, and vegetable oil. Okay, small, very small amount. As you can see, that's so simple ingredients, and for sure we're gonna cook it very easy. Okay, so now here's the procedure of preparing the schnitzel. First, 1 egg. To crack the egg and put the salt, pepper, and paprika all together, and then to mix them, just mix them until it's all blended. Alright, then put the schnitzel one by one. Alright, I'll have to mix it. Okay. Alright, cover it and leave it for an hour in your refrigerator. Okay, after an hour, prepare your pan. Okay, and you have the chicken breast, vegetable oil, the breadcrumbs, and the sesame seeds. All you have to do is mix them together. Okay, so this is how I do it. And then take 1 piece of a thinly sliced chicken breast. Okay, and then put small amount of oil. And put downward. Okay, but the same procedure with the rest. Okay, with the vegetable oil. So why it's healthier than the usual way of cooking? Because you're just consuming or using little amount of vegetable oil, and it's healthier. Now that you're done layering them up, have to put again on top a small amount of vegetable oil. Okay, now set your oven to 200 degrees and cook it for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, so we're going to wait for 25 minutes and it will be cooked. Alright, it's now set, so we'll wait for 25 minutes. Guys, remember the vegetable salad and the chicken breast? Here it is. Yes! It's a perfect combination! Very perfect. Ang sarap nito. Promise. Masarap to. So enjoy your day and have a nice day. It's me, Kuya Chito, saying Shalom and see you next time.